hustler life, but I'm a hustler, so I love my life. I'm from a place where apes and take somebody's mother life. I've been upset all my fucking life. I get mad and then stab you fucking death with a butter knife. Your bitch upset, you don't fuck her right. That's why she call my phone every fucking night. I pray fuck the night. Hey yo, I know you can't fucking fight, and I know you not a gangster. Your clothes too fucking tight. Your ass better than Cass. Yeah, fucking right. I'm too fucking nice. The source she give me a dozen mics. Hey yo, my eyes so fucking bright that if I wore all my jewels, I'd probably lose my fucking sight. I go in stores like fuck the price and you scramble. Life is a gamble. Throw the fucking dice. I might not be the hardest in the world, but these other artists ain't even harder than my girl.